In primetime news this evening, still counting. Police surmise cash seized in police operation could be more than initially suspected. Police make yet another major drug bust. And danger looms in Harborview ahead of hurricane season.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also in this evening's package, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we want to know, what are your views on the number of drug busts happening in several parts of the country? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @TelevisionJam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.